Good morning, everybody listening to my this video of today. Today I am going to talk about marketing, more particularly service marketing and other marketing like financial marketing. Focus will be much more on financial marketing in this my particular video, though the context and contents of my delivery in this video are equally applicable for whether marketing of services may be financial services, other services as also products. First thing we need to understand that socio-behavioral aspects has a very big role for a person to be successful in marketing, be whatever the product is, be it a financial product, be it other services product, be it a product itself. So what we need to do and what we need to have as a marketing professional or amateur entered into the marketing, trying to go for marketing or going for improvement in the marketing, we need to be serious. If we take marketing as a casual, and let us be very clearly understand that customers are much more smarter than us. However competent we may be, we cannot undermine the customer, however small or big, whatever. So we need to be serious, and in one sentence I can say it: every customer is a new customer, every time a new customer, every moment a new customer. So understanding the customer, understanding his requirements, understanding his psyche, understanding his expectations, so and so forth, are to be understood very seriously, very attentively. Second is, don't take customer as a friend. Customer is customer. Friendship can support and influence, but the moment he is a customer, he has his own choice to go ahead with. He can say no without saying no even. So we need to be careful. You should not mix the friendship with the customer as well. Third is, with the growing technology and social media of various kinds and types, using of social media has become very much prominent, very much important, and more so prominent and important in this pandemic period across the globe. Next one I would like to say as a socio-behavioral aspect is, mentoring has no end. Every marketing personnel need to have a mentor, need to take support of a mentor, so that continuous grooming, continuous conceptual clarity, continuous understanding the customer's paradigm, continuous understanding of self is required, which can be taken, which can have by the support of a mentor. So it is always better not to thought, better not to think, I know all paradigm. Have a mentor, go to the mentor, take his ideas, take his suggestions, take his advices, so on and so forth. And for that purpose, a growth mindset is very much required. To successful in marketing, a growth mindset that I will achieve this, have a target, has a benchmark, has a scorecard that is focused day in, day out, moment on moment to achieve that target, that focused benchmark, or that scorecard figure. Consistency is again an important factor, because if a marketing person is not consistent in persuading, consistent in following up, consistent in his objective to get the customer on board, he might face challenges in the success ratio. Automation tools, as I already said, whichever is available, which may be available over a period of time, be taken as a tool to take into advantage of marketing, as marketing is becoming tough and tough and tough over a period of time, and it is going to be tougher and tougher in the near future. For one reason or the other, there are multiple reasons for this, what I am trying to say. Research, whether it is product, whether it is services, whether it is financial services like bitcoins, TBC, other bitcoin, etc., financial products, mutual fund, insurance, so on and so forth. To sell these, one has to go into depth of the product, service product rather, I should say, understand clearly, be conceptually clear, understand what the questions a customer can ask. Bundle of questions need to be answered to the customer. Be prepared of the both side of the coin. Be a customer first, then be a seller or a marketing people. Ask yourself as a customer what you would like to understand, what you would like to know from the marketing people or the sales people. So product, service product research, be it Bitcoin or be it financial product like insurance, mutual funds, so on and so forth. Understand the ins and outs of the service products so that we can convince the customer, answering his bundle of questions. Questions may be sensible, questions may be nonsensible, questions may be diplomatic, questions may be negative to go into the positive, so on and so forth. All these paradigms work at the same time at the sales marketing pace or marketing scenario with an organization or an individual or a group of individuals whatsoever. And the customer always looks for a genuine and ethical marketing person. First thing, he tries to assess the marketing people whether he is reliable, he is genuine, he is ethical, he is honest or not. Once he is convinced with these attributes of the marketing people, probably that marketing guy has owned the 50% of the ball game in the marketing pace. Having said that, Next, I will try to say identify the target market in relation to the service products, be it Bitcoin, be it insurance, be it other mutual fund, other financial products, and other service products, whatever it be. So every product or services has a particular niche target market, and try to find out what is the niche target market to attract, and share the product to everybody. Nobody knows the buyer's mind. Today somebody may not like it, tomorrow he may like it. Right now he may not like it, after 1 hour or so he may like it. So product or services or service products present to everybody, not knowing whether he is going to accept now or he is going to come up again after some time, on the same day or a later date, any day. And it is better to have sponsor where network marketing goes like bitcoins, multi-level marketing, and so forth, like marketing. There, it is better to have a sponsor, not as a recruiter. Following that, goal has to be set. Goals and objectives has to be set in such a way that is smart enough, measurable, achievable, and effort is given to achieve that set goal. Last but not the least is always maintain the statistics of every day of every service product, so that we can analyze the trend, we can analyze where we have been failing, where we need to improve, what challenges we have come across, what more challenges we might have come across, and prepare yourself with an action plan to go ahead with the marketing with a growth orientation in mind to be successful in the market, be it Bitcoin, be it the Bitcoin or other Bitcoins, financial products, life insurance products, mutual fund products, and other lot of bundle of services are there to offer to the market. For all those, I must say the marketing people has to have these socio-cultural, socio-behavioral aspects to cater to the customer, to understand the customer, to satisfy the customer, to convince the customer and get the business. Hopefully, I could make and I could give some food for thought for the marketing people of service products, which are much more difficult than the material product for sales in the market. Saying this, I am concluding this video. Hopefully, my viewers and the listeners together will appreciate that these are the sum of primary requisites to have a successful marketing, to go way forward towards growth curve on and on, continued and continuous. Thank you very much.